Get on the ground.
Okay.
Hands behind your back.
I'll go. You stay back. Stay back.
On the morning of April 22nd, 2024, officers in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota, were called to a reported burglary. But this wasn't an ordinary case. The suspect that day wasn't a stranger to the public eye. She was someone with power, influence, and a career built in service at the highest levels.
Burke County 911.
Somebody just broke into my house.
Oh,
They
did
just ran down into my basement.
What's your address?
Oh my God. Granger Avenue.
Granger Road in DL?
Granger Road. Yeah.
Inspector 30 car for Activeburg, Granger. 37, party states individual broke into their house and ran down in their basement. Granger Road.
I don't know if he's breaking out the back window or what.
Did you get a look at him at all?
No, it was completely dark. I tripped over him. He was on the floor next to my bed. He ran downstairs into my basement.
Our coverage is brought to you by Morgan & Morgan.
Just get here.
All right, I'll stay on the line with you. Don't worry. I have officers en route right now. If you hear anything, just let me know what's going on, okay?
Is he outside or inside?
He ran down here.
Okay, I'll go down there. You stay back here.
Okay.
Police department! Make yourself known! Police department! Make yourself known! 37 back there, got a little motion underneath the stairs in the house. Sounds like he's trying to get outside of the back to the north of the house. Police department, make yourself known! He's still in the house. A lot of motion underneath the stairs. Sounds like he's trying to get outside through a window. Police department, make yourself known now!
Where to?
He's the other officer's downstairs.
Okay.
I'm trying to see.
COVID off.
Here, watch out. Where's he at?
I'm here underneath the stairs.
Police department. Underneath the stairs?
Is there any motion yet?
Is there a way to get underneath the stairs?
Inspector 05, if you come up long, looks like there's a long driveway right to the back of the residence.
Another bathroom there.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Hands behind your back.
I'll go. You stay back. Stay back. Stay back. 37 Becker with 1012.
It's Nicole.
It's Nicole?
I was just trying to get a couple of my dad's things because he wouldn't talk to me anymore.
She also stole documents out of my house. She's my stepdaughter.
I didn't steal any documents. How did I steal documents?
Nicole, what's your last name?
Mitchell.
You had your Aunt Nancy do it.
Me too. And I see a Nicole Mitchell in-house.
Is it Mitchell?
Mitchell.
Mitchell?
The suspect was identified as Nicole Lynn Mitchell, a Democratic Minnesota state senator, accused of breaking into her stepmother's home, searching for something specific.
Who is this to you?
Pardon?
Who is this to you?
She's my stepdaughter.
Stepdaughter.
She's also a Minnesota senator. She lives in the Twin Cities.
She's a senator?
Yeah. Yeah. Was.
Was or is currently?
Well, she is. I meant after this.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay.
My husband passed away just
That's kind of why I
a year
recognize her
ago
maybe
March.
then.
Her father. And right the day after he died, her aunt from Fargo came here, and I was in the bedroom ball, and they walked out with all these. It was two of my husband's sisters. She's very close to one of them, Nancy.
Okay.
They were walking out the door with all these forms, and I ran out the door. I said, "What are you guys doing?" Nancy said, "We're just trying to help you. Just trying to figure out where you are financially."
No, it's my partner.
Okay. It's my stepdaughter.
1015 is a senator from Minnesota. So I don't know if that does anything, but.
Broke into my house, and she was laying next to my bed.
Where's he at? He's downstairs.
Oh my God.
Has she done this before?
Not that, but she's insisted that my son should get nothing. She should get everything, all that stuff. She's trying to
Where'd she come in at?
get into my bags.
You know?
I don't have a clue.
You don't know?
No.
Any doors that are open?
My doors,
Does she have
both of them
keys?
had those.
All right, have a seat. Are those tight? Hold on. Get up. So you are in custody. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Okay.
Nicole, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you can say can and will be used against
3705. Where'd you say that hammer was?
you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and to have the lawyer present now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you without cost. Do you understand each of these rights I've just explained to you?
I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
I know I did something bad. After the funeral, my aunt tried to help her. She thinks they stole from her when they were just trying to get her affairs in order.
Okay.
She was progressively cut off the family to include promising us some ashes that so we could bury them with the rest of the family.
Can I stop you quick?
She's got Alzheimer's and she's gotten, I know this doesn't help, this
Yeah.
is just going to prove the point, but she's gotten paranoid and thinks we're all out to get her and won't let anyone in the house. And I just wanted to get a couple of my dad's mementos, and that's all.
So what kind of mementos?
A couple pictures and maybe one of his shirts.
One of his what?
One of his flannel shirts.
Unable to locate the name that was previously given to the suspect.
October and November,
Okay.
and then she just got progressively more paranoid.
So what got you to this stage where you thought this was
The ashes, I think.
the ashes?
State Inspector, what do you got?
Gotcha.
Active Berg 103 Rivercrest Drive, apartment
My
23.
aunt's, my cousin
10
had died in
funeral.
November, and my
Hello.
aunt drove all the way out here to get the ashes per an agreement, just to get here to be told, no, never mind. And that was really devastating for everyone not to even have the ashes.
Okay. And so you're here to get,
A couple moments.
Thank you, Marshall.
you said pictures. Have you tried to talk to her before this?
We had a fight over the ashes situation, and she at least right now, wouldn't talk to me. It's just gotten progressively worse.
How long has it been since you last talked to her? Alright, so right now you're under arrest for burglary, okay?
Even if I didn't take anything?
You broke in the house with an intent to commit a crime, so that's burglary. Okay, I mean you're definitely dressed for it, and I understand your situation, but you still can't.
I
I
understand.
mean there's other ways to try to go through it, so I apologize for the situation you're in and stuff.
I got an ID, but I don't know if it means anything, but she's a state senator.
I'm gonna get booked in here, and as chances are, you under influence of any drugs or alcohol tonight, so you'll probably be seen at court today sometime or tomorrow for sure. So, okay. So that's up to the attorneys, so I don't handle that stuff. So yeah, either today or tomorrow. I don't know if we'll have time to get our reports done in time. We'll see, but
Go ahead.
okay. But then you'll be seen in court.
In the town?
Today would be amazing.
Yeah.
Kids.
Please.
Did you drive all the way up from Woodbury tonight, or did you have to stay someplace?
Yeah.
Okay. What time did you leave
Try to
at?
get this master key.
One.
Sounds like there's one apartment up there that we're going to check.
So what drove you over the edge tonight?
Yeah.
That all of a sudden you're just like, I gotta.
As I said,
Outside
it's
by the
just
office.
something.
And how often have you talked to your stepmom, right?
As I said, since the ashes incident.
Okay. All right.
Actually, yeah. His anniversary of his death was March 19th. So,
Okay. And then how long has she been your stepmom for?
40 years.
40 years? Okay. So you known her for a long time then?
Yeah, since I was
4?
4.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, I'll include all this stuff in here. Like again, I understand your situation, but I'm just.
I thought that.
So just based on the way you're dressed and your flashlight, and I mean, looked like you thought this through quite a bit. So driving all the way up, and then.
Okay, man. Come right in here.
So are you willing to sign into those laptops to prove that they're yours?
Yes.
Okay. I have them out here. So you can come out and sign into them. There's the first one.
It doesn't require.
Okay, how come it has name on it?
It was one that she had given me way back when to use for the kids.
Well, she's missing 2 laptops. That's what she said. So I'm taking this laptop.
You can have it back.
How about this one? Okay, that one's got your name on it. Okay. That one will stay with your property, but I am taking this one.
That's fine.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
I don't have any questions.
Okay.
If she said she was already missing 2,
So,
there's no way.
I brought it up.
I took them tonight.
Okay, they were in your backpack, shoved in a window.
The whole backpack was shoved.
Do you understand where I'm coming from?
I do. The whole backpack was shoved in a window.
Mm-hmm. So, you're Mirandized. Did you try shoving that backpack out and it didn't go out?
I want to answer your questions.
You don't have to. Like you understood your rights. So
Nicole Mitchell was charged in April 2024 with first-degree burglary after the incident at her stepmother's home.
A jury disagreed, finding her guilty.
Mitchell was sentenced to 180 days in jail to be served on work release. A 21-month prison sentence was stayed, and she was placed on supervised probation for 5 years.
A Minnesota state senator found guilty of burglarizing her stepmother's home has officially resigned. A jury disagreed,